In this video, I'm going to explain why your printer might show as offline and how to fix it on both Windows and Mac computers. One common reason printers go offline is a loose or disconnected cable. If you're using a USB printer, make sure the cable is firmly plugged into both the printer and your computer. For network printers, check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Sometimes the printer's status gets stuck. On Windows, open the control panel, go to Devices and Printers, right-click your printer, and select See What's Printing. In the window that opens, click Printer and uncheck Use Printer Offline. On a Mac, go to System Preferences, click Printers and Scanners, select your printer, and click Open Print Queue. If you see Paused or Offline, click the Resume button. Another cause is outdated or corrupted printer drivers. Visit the printer manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers for your model. Network issues can also cause offline status. Restart your router and make sure your computer and printer are connected to the same network. If the printer still shows offline, restart both your printer and computer. This often clears temporary glitches. Sometimes print jobs get stuck in the queue, blocking new ones. Clear the print queue on your computer to fix this. Lastly, check the printer's display panel for any error messages like paper jams or low ink, which can cause it to go offline. Following these steps should get your printer back online, whether you're on Windows or Mac. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.